Giovanna Ippolito remembers the day she saw the x-ray for the first time. That was 2 years ago. She needed the x-ray after developing pain in her shoulder and right leg, but couldn't believe her eyes when she saw it. It showed a 5-centimeter long broken needle embedded in her spine. She believes the needle broke off during the birth of her son in 2002 or daughter in 2004, when spinal blocks and epidurals were done. A medical error that took more than a decade to discover after staff didn't report it at the time or didn't notice it happened.
I don't know what damage this could be causing me either today or for the long haul.
She says hospital officials told her there was nothing about a needle breaking in her records, so there was nothing they could do. A patient advocate says that missing key piece of information is unacceptable.
I would also wonder about the situation with the records that she was provided. Were they complete? Why was it not identified who actually did what and where this would have happened?
The College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario can't launch an official investigation because it's not clear which doctor involved in Ippolito's births is responsible for the needle. And a lawyer told her malpractice cases are nearly impossible to win in Canada. Sloan Mandel is a personal injury lawyer in Toronto.
These are David and Goliath battles. You are going up an entity called the Canadian Medical Protective Association, the CMPA, and set aside billions of dollars to fight cases just like this one.
130,000 Canadians are harmed by the medical system each year. What's needed is a new way of dealing with injured patients, says a researcher. Instead of the present system that pits patients against doctors, she wants to see a no-fault compensation system where patients and doctors don't end up in court.
A whole system kicks in, an administrative scheme kicks in of reporting. You receive compensation very quickly.
But provincial and territorial governments don't seem open to the idea. Go Public asked health ministries across the country if they've considered a no-fault compensation system. Most had not. Those who have decided against it. As for Ippolito, that needle is there to stay. Doctors say it's too risky to remove. Rosa Marchitelli, CBC News, Go Public.